Right now, I believe so many people will be wishing that Terra Classic is on Binance US, and if most coins are being traded mostly and in the US. Okay, so and I think it is time that Binance US need to work with Terra Classic. And that time is now. Yes, this is the right time, because most times it's good for those that want to invest, it's good to invest on coins that are doing well, because let's assume a particular coin is rising and you decide to buy this coin, you decide to invest on that coin. Immediately you are investing for a coin that is hot, that is rising so massively. Don't be surprised that within 1 or 2 days or 2 weeks you must have earned almost 20-30% or even sometimes 100% of your investment already, and you just withdraw maybe 100 your capital or with some interest. So now Terra Classic is doing well. I believe they need a support from Binance US. We know that yes, Binance already they are doing wonders with Terra Classic. Okay, yes, they are the backbones, they are the pillar that is holding Terra Classic. If you ask me, okay, I will say yes. Binance founder CZ is like, I don't know what I would say, but he's the main actor that have been helping Terra Classic to stand and then to achieve what they have today since the fall of Terra Classic. So I still believe that if Binance US can also come in, I mean, if Terra Classic can get itself listed on Binance US, right now that this coin is doing well, right now that some people are looking at Terra Classic, right now some traders, some investors are considering Terra Classic, and I believe that yes, so many investing companies will also be looking at Terra Classic right now. Okay, so the kind of money that flow into Terra Classic within the past few days, just within the past 48 hours, I mean, I believe that some companies out there that really invested on this coin just to cash out, just to make some good profit, using the advantage that the coin was doing well. So we need more companies to come in. We need more companies to keep on supporting, investing on Terra Classic. Okay, so that is why I believe that even though not just companies, exchanges too. So we need some exchanges and some new exchange that are yet to list Terra Classic to just go ahead and support this coin that is ranked right now at the time of recording this 73 crypto coins with the highest market cap. Definitely it should be at what it should be among the top crypto coins, if you ask me. So I believe it's going to be good for Terra Classic to get listed on Binance US and other top crypto exchanges, and the new exchanges too that just emerged, some that started last year, some that started this year, that are yet to list Terra Classic. Please remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.